Right now, you're looking at a world sentiment score of plus 0.01, which might seem modest, but paired with a momentum of plus 0.68, it indicates a significant upward trend that's unusual compared to the historical baseline. This spike suggests a shift in global sentiment that hasn't been this pronounced recently. You'll receive a comprehensive output from our API that includes sentiment scores and semantic clusters, helping you understand the nuances behind the data. Imagine leveraging this insight for a real-time sentiment dashboard that tracks global events and sentiments, enabling you to adjust your strategies on the fly. To dive deeper into how this can work for you, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.